Tutorial number 14. Saving single images during recording. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. This video explains how to save single images during an active record or live preview. You can save single images on your hard disk even if your camera is actively recording or you are looking to a live preview window. To ease the workflow, we have introduced a nice little feature which is available by simply pressing the Insert button. A saving dialog appears, which you must read carefully as you need to decide whether you want to save a raw image or you want to export the image into one of the various data formats. If you hit the Insert button for the first time, you need to configure the save or export parameters. Set a file name and a folder directory together with the file type you want to use. When you proceed with the OK, another dialog will ask you whether you want to activate the Just Insert mode or not, and how long this mode should be active. The Just Insert mode will save images with every hit on the Insert button without any further appearance of the Save dialog. If you select No, the Save dialog will open after you hit the Insert button. You can then set a different name or directory prior to the saving is performed. The recording or live preview is not influenced by the single image saving process. This happens in parallel to the camera operation. You're all set up to work with this helpful little feature now. Thank you for watching.